Hello, my beautiful skulls. In this tutorial, we will do skull. I don't want to spend this Halloween without skull on my channel. I want to do some experiment and paint it in orange, like a pumpkin. First, I will apply upper part and after that, lower part. As you've seen on my previous tutorials, I will apply Prosthetic first on my face and after that on mask. Okay, let's do it. This skull look will not be just scary, you know, it's gonna be like pretty scary, yeah, because I will add my fluffy wig at the end and something I made for my head. Here we go with lower part. Good girl, beautiful. And the best thing for this mask is that you can use it more than once, or twice, or 3 times. So next time, I think I'll use this skull mask for some young guy and create, you know, white, scary skull. Okay, let's start paint my face in orange. Using orange supra color for a basic color of my skull. So this part I will not paint too much because I will have a wig and that's why I didn't glue it very good. I don't want to, you know, touch my new colored hair. And after that I will add dark brown. You see how the texture of this skull is amazing. You just need to paint, nothing else. Let's add some yellow for highlights. This is good combination. Because if I add just brown after this orange, it's gonna be boring. I will use dark brown super color to fill these small cracks. This can last forever. After I finish 1224 scratches, I will start to blend them now. I will do it with the fluffy brush, so I don't want that dark brown color. I want to blend it with orange. Of course, teeth. Teeth are very important. For a bigger part, I'm using bigger brush and dark brown greasy paint to make more deep look. Now this skull looks more realistic and more 3D. For this part inside I'm using smaller brush and blend it out. You see? Looks great! For teeth, I will use white super color and put this brown a little bit on white. It's not a big difference, but yeah, they're okay.
Hello.
Hello, my beautiful skull.
Yes, stop, please.
Look now.
Please stop.
No.
No.
Do you like it?
Yeah, but it's too creepy when you move them out.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
That's so creepy. Stop.
This brush is clean and I'm taking brown color from here and pull it down on my teeth. I will go back with black super color and frame them again. Can't wait to start with black color. Like I said, yellow super color for highlights. Cool. And a little bit of white. Yellow color on each tooth. Just a little bit. Now you know what I'm talking about. I have to paint this part too, but I need to add a little bit of black paint, at least on my nose. Yes. Oh my god, I love this. I feel so good now. A little bit of white, just not to be flat. On this part, I will draw some discs and bones, but not too much. I will paint them with orange body paint and fill everything else in black. Painting very fast because these parts will not be that much perfect. I just want to complete this story here, going back with yellow and making highlights. Finally, I can start painting myself in black. I will first start from my lower part, and I am using right now maroon black body paint, and lately I'm using this paint very often because it's matte and it can be easily used with eyeshadows. I am closer and closer to the end. Woohoo! Before painting around my eyes, I will first add eyelashes. And now, let's finish the rest. Yeah, I'm especially dangerous with this eyeshadow. Adding white at the center and blend it out. And now, I can do my performance. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. See you next week. Wow!